Alright, I'm going to install the pistons. In the cylinder, I've already got one installed. You can go out and buy yourself a high dollar, or not high dollar I guess, but a piston ring compressor. I have one right here, piston ring compressor. Here we go. Let me give you a little better idea of what I'm doing here. Here we go. Make sure your ring openings are on the opposite sides of the piston. Please. If you don't, you'll be an unhappy camper. And we don't like to be unhappy, right? I'm trying to see if I can keep my hand out of your way. Yeah, the popsicle stick ring compressor is a fairly sophisticated piece of equipment. You really have to watch out for the moving parts. The key is, though, is not forcing things, because you don't want to break a ring, you know. So, with just a little time and patience, you can install your piston with Ed's handy dandy ring compressor. Not for $9.95, not $10.95, not $8.95, but yours free when you buy popsicles.